Hello friends, we taken here one example. Now this is a system of equations with three unknowns. Three equations with three unknowns, a simultaneous equation. Now this equation we will solve by using the Gauss elimination method. Now this method is, these are the diagonal elements. Below the diagonal elements, make these three elements to be 0. So this is Gauss elimination method. Reduce the given system of equation to upper triangular matrix. So we'll complete this method by using two steps. In the first step, make this element 0. Again, make this element 0. So initially these two elements will make 0 in the step 1. So this complete our first step. In the next step, what this element we got here, that element will make 0. That is our step 2. And then we'll use backward substitution method to find the unknowns. In the step 1, this is our first row R1, second row R2, third row R3. Write down here operation R2 with R1, diagonal element of this it is X, diagonal element of this one it is again X. So we'll perform the operations with the diagonal element. To make these two elements 0, we'll write down operation R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So here we have to mention, we have to write down the multiplying factor. R2 coefficient it is 2 and R1 coefficient it is 1. Similarly, R3 coefficient it is 3 and R1 coefficient it is 1. So this become our operations. Now these elements become 0. What will be the coefficient for y, z and constant in R2? That we will discuss. Y coefficient. So y coefficient calculation, minus of 3y minus 2 by 1 and its R1 is 1, which is equals to calculation of this by using the calculate. Then we have, I have to mention here y, so it becomes minus of 5y. Okay, next 4z, z coefficient, 4z multiplying factor remains same, its R1 coefficient is z, which is equals to 4z minus 2z, it is 2z. Last, the constant here in the second row, 13 by 2 by 1 into its constant is 9, and that calculation it is minus of minus 5y plus 2z minus of 5. Or it is plus of 5. 13 minus 9, okay, it is minus of 5. Actually 9 into 2 it is 18. So 13 minus 18 it is minus of 5. Okay. Similarly, we'll write down calculation here for R3. This element 0, its y coefficient is 4y minus multiplying factor and its R1 y, which is equals to 4y minus 3y, it is y only. Next, its z coefficient 5z, same multiplying factor into its z coefficient, which is equals to 2z. Now its constant we'll discuss, 40 minus 3 by 1 into R1 coefficient 9, calculation it is 40 minus 18, 27. So that's become 30. So we completed step 1. Now we got a new system of equation that will mention first equation same, second equation coefficients we have, so that we'll write down here minus of 5y plus 2z, which is equals to minus of 5. Similarly, for R3, these are the new coefficients, y plus 2z is equals to 13. Now, in the next step, we have to make this element 0. So to make this 0, we'll write down operation R3 and its diagonal element is R2. So R3 minus R2. Multiplying factor, y coefficient is 1 and R2 coefficient is minus 5. So this is our multiplying factor. Now what term? So this becomes 0. Z coefficient, what we'll get here? Calculation. R3 2z minus 1 upon minus of 5 and its R2 is 2z. So output of this it is 2.4z. Next, constant 13 minus multiplying factor and its R2 it is minus of 5. Output of this it is 12. So after the step 2, we got here new system of equations that we are writing here, x plus y is equals to 9. Second equation same, minus 5. Next, new change in the third equation, that it is 2.4 z is equals to 12. So this reduced to upper triangular form. This is our Gauss elimination method. Now by backward substitution, we have value of z is equals to 12 divided by 2.4 and the output is 5. Similarly, we'll get value of y. So y I am mentioning here minus 5. This become minus 2z upon minus of 5. Substitute value of z here and calculate that value of y 3. Similarly, value of x 9 minus z minus y and that output it is 1. So we got here unknown values, x equal to 1, y equals to 3 and z is equals to 5. So we find here by using the Gauss elimination method values of unknowns x, y, z by backward substitution method. So this is Gauss elimination method. Thank you.